What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple tweet generator workflow on N8N. Let's get started. This is a workflow that we're going to create in this video. So this workflow is triggered by recording a message on Telegram, then we're getting the audio file and transcribing the recording using OpenAI, and then we are creating this Twitter generator AI agent that is responsible for creating our tweets. And then we are sending ourselves a tweet that the agent generated on Telegram. And then if we approve the tweet, we are waiting for a few seconds and then posting it on Twitter. So let me show you how the workflow works. I'll click on test workflow. On Telegram, I've created a bot that I've renamed to Lax Automation. Here's where we're going to record our files. So here we can record and say, write me a tweet on automation. Consider Hit wrote this tweet for us, and it sent us on Telegram for us to approve the tweet. So all we have to do is just click on approve and then click on open to open the link here. Then we're going to wait for 5 seconds and post it on Twitter. So now when I refresh my page, you can see it posted this tweet for us right here. And this was the tweet that was generated by our AI agent over here. Then we posted the tweet right here on my page. By creating this simple workflow on N8N. It's a workflow that generates for us the viral tweets that I'm going to show you how to create in this video. So let's get started. I've created a new workflow that I've named to tweet generator workflow. Here, we're going to start by adding a trigger right here. So I'll search for Telegram. Click on Telegram. Here, we're going to click on message trigger. Here, you'll need to create your credentials right here by clicking on create a new credential. Telegram, search for bot further. Then on bot further here, add slash, then type start and click on enter. You'll see the guidelines on how you can create your own bot. To create a new bot, just click on the new bot right here. Here you can add the name of the bot, enter, add your username. So here, I tried a couple of usernames. It wants a username in this kind of format. Then after adding your username, here you'll see your token. So this is a token that you're going to copy and come and paste right here and click on save to create your credential. But since I had already created my credential, I'm going to close and choose my credentials over here and click on back. Now on Telegram, I'm going to go back to our bot. Here, you can type in something like, hey, that's it. Yeah, you can see that it ran successfully and we got our text right here that we typed. Since we would like to record a recording, I'm going to search for Telegram. Click on Telegram. Then here we're going to get a file. Here, you can disconnect it. Here we can deactivate this first and test workflow. And then on Telegram, we can record something like, hey, my name is Dennis. Yeah, and open it. You can see we got our file right here. So now we can connect it right here, activate this, and then open this node. And then we can add our file ID over here by dragging it right here. Now with our file over here, we can transcribe it using OpenAI. So I'll search for OpenAI, then click on it. Here, I would like to transcribe a recording. So I'll click on transcribe a recording. And then here, I'll open it. Choose my credentials right here. To create a new credential, just click on create new. From OpenAI, add your API key right here and click on save, and your credential will be created. Since I had already created my credential, I'm just going to go back. Now we can test our workflow and see if it works. So I'll click on test. And then on our board, I'll record something. Hey, my name is Dennis. Yeah, we can open our node. You can see it's transcribing our file over here. Now we can create our tweet generator AI agent. So here, I'll search for AI agent. Click on AI agent. Here we're going to choose by defining below over here. First of all, we can add the chat model. We're going to use OpenAI chat model right here. Choose our credential. Choose GPT 4.2 mini as our model over here. For the memory, we're going to use the simple memory node right here. Here we can choose to define below and add the key over here. On schema, we're going to add our chat ID right here. Drag it to the key, then click on back. Now with our memory setup. Another tool that we like to use right here to generate tweets for us. So I'll search for the sub API tool over here. You'll also need to create your credentials right here by creating an account on sub API and then adding the API key right here to create your connection. Here I'm going to choose my credential. Now we can write a prompt to our AI agent. So for the prompt, we're going to drag our text right here. And then here, I'm going to add an option, click on system message, and then click on expression. Now we can write our prompt over here. Since I had already written a prompt on this module, I'll open it. I'll copy this prompt, and then come and paste the prompt over here. Prompt, we are starting by defining the current day and time over here. Then we're telling the agent that you're an AI, tweet generator, and assistant with the ability to research topics and generate engaging and captivating tweets. Your task is to research a given topic using SAP API to extract key facts and trends, create engaging and captivating tweets with 280 characters, prioritize factual accuracy and engaging storytelling in your content, maintain a conversational, cheeky, and fun-tone-make but assertive in all responses. And then we're telling use this API tool to research the following topic, and then here we're adding our text. Focus on identifying key facts, trends, and interesting angles relevant for the tweet. Extract data and insights from the top search results for accuracy. Return a concise summary of the most relevant facts. Here we're telling the agent that based on the research summary, create a tweet that is engaging and attention-grabbing, factual and accurate, SEO optimized, 280 characters max, concise, avoid jargon and technical terms, include a call to action. You're also telling the AI agent to use conversational, fun, and slightly cheeky tone while saying helpful. We're also telling it do not include any emojis, extra spaces, summaries, explanation, or extra formatting. Only output the tweet text and nothing else. After you've generated your tweets using this tool, you can continue to tweak the prompt until it's aligned with the kind of tweets that you like to generate using our workflow. So you'll click on back to canvas, name our node to tweet generator AI agent, and click on rename. Now after generating our tweet, we can send the tweet to ourselves on Telegram. So I'll search for Telegram, click on Telegram, and here I'm going to click on the send message and wait for response node. I'll click on back. Can rename this to wait response. Click on rename. Now before we start sending ourselves the tweet, we can deactivate this and first of all generate a couple of tweets and see if we're generating the right tweets for us. So to test if our agent is going to generate incredible tweets for us, we're going to test our workflow. And then on Telegram, we can record a recording. Write me a tweet about dairy farming. You can see that our agent generated for us a tweet. Here is a transcription of our recording. And here it gives us this output right here. The output is on the lines of, did you know that USDA predicts milk's production will hit 226 billion pounds in 2025? A slight dip, but don't worry. Dairy farmers are adapting. With the all milk price forecast at $22.75, it's a great time to support local dairy. Our agent is actually generating incredible tweets for us. So here, we can connect this and activate this node and open it over here. For the chat ID, we're going to search for our chat ID on our trigger node and drag the ID right here. And then for the message, we're going to add our output message over here. Here for the response type, I'm going to choose approval, where it's going to send us an approval request on Telegram. Now to test it, we can test our workflow again. We can record another recording. So create an incredible tweet on beekeeping. You can see generated for us an incredible tweet right here and sent us the notification on Telegram right here. This is the incredible tweet that it generated for us, giving an option for us to approve the tweet. The tweet is on the lines of beekeeping isn't just a hobby, it's vital for our ecosystem. With cutting edge methods and a spirit of sustainability, beekeepers are keeping honeybee population thriving. Great to buzz into this tweet wall, join the hype and support our pollinators today. This is an incredible tweet on beekeeping. Now to approve this tweet, I'm just going to click on approve, click on open, and here you can see now we have approved our tweet over here. Approval is true. Here I'm going to click on back. Now after we've approved our tweet, now we can proceed to post it on our Twitter page. So here we're going to wait for a few seconds. So I'll search for the wait node. You're going to wait for a few seconds. Click on back over here, and then now we can proceed to post it on our Twitter page. So I'll search for Twitter, click on Twitter, and here we're going to create a tweet. Here we can execute previous nodes right here. Yeah, you also need to create a credential over here where you'll add your client ID and client secret from your Twitter API over here. Since I already created my credentials, I'm going to close over here, click on close. Then for the operator, we're going to create a tweet, and then here we're going to add our tweet over here that we just created from our agent. Now here I'm going to click on back over here. You can rename this node to post tweet and click on rename. Our workflow is pretty much set up. So here we are triggering our workflow by recording a file on Telegram. Then we're getting the file, transcribing it, and using the text as a prompt to our Twitter generator AI agent. And this agent is generating a tweet for us and sending the tweet to us on Telegram for us to approve the tweet. Then if we approve the tweet, we're waiting for a few seconds to post the tweet on Twitter. Now let us try and test our workflow. Our workflow is pretty much set up. Now let us test if our workflow works. To test if our workflow works, I'm going to click on test the workflow. And then on Telegram, I'm going to record a file. Write me an incredible tweet on how to efficiently automate an SEO agency. So here you can see we triggered our workflow after we recorded our file. Then we got the file right here and transcribed the recording. And then we are using the transcription as a prompt for our agent to generate an incredible tweet for us. You can see it generated the tweet and it sent the tweet to us on Telegram for us to approve the tweet. So on Telegram, you can see the tweet that our tool generated for us. The tweet is on the lines of ready to supercharge your SEO agency, automate with tools like Ahrefs for link analysis and SEMrush for keyword research, streamline reporting and Google Data Studio, and keep an eye on ranking with Rank Math. Focus on strategy, not the grind. Hashtag SEO, hashtag automation. Now to approve this tweet, I'm going to click on approve, then click on open to approve the tweet. You can see we're waiting for a few seconds and posting the tweet on our page. Now when I visit my page and refresh it, you can see right here we posted this incredible tweet for us on our page right here. This is an incredible tweet that we just generated using our workflow right here. So when we open our agent, you can see it generated for us this tweet over here, which is the same tweet that we posted on our Twitter page over here using the simple workflow that we created on N8N. You can see that our workflow works perfectly. We triggered our workflow by recording this file on Telegram. Then we got the file right here and transcribed the recording using OpenAI. Then on our agent, we're using the transcription of our file as a prompt to generate this incredible tweet for us using our tweet generator AI agent right here. After our agent generates a tweet for us, we're sending the tweet to ourselves on Telegram right here. So we can approve the tweet. And then after approving the tweet, we're waiting a few seconds and posting the tweet on our page right here, like we did over here. This is a tweet that we generated and posted it on our page. To activate our workflow, I'll have to just click on inactive and click on got it. And our workflow now is activated. So now all we have to do now to generate endless tweets for us, all we have to do is just record a file right here, and then our workflow will generate incredible tweets on the specific topic that you like to create the tweet. And then after our agent generates a tweet for us, we're going to send ourselves a tweet on Telegram where you'll get a notification right here with the tweet. Then after reviewing the tweet, you'll approve it right here. And then the workflow will wait for 5 minutes, then it will post the tweet on your page like we did over here. This was a simple workflow that we created on N8N that generates for us endless viral tweets using our AI agent and posts the tweets on our Twitter page. Now, if you have a workflow or an AI agent that you'd like for me to create it on N8N, just comment down below in the comment section. And if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire workflow or AI agent from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.